Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics: stable internet and enough disk space, because updates need to download and unpack files. Once done, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to catch common errors automatically. Next, open an elevated command prompt and stop the Windows Update service and background intelligent transfer service using netstop commands. This prevents locks while you clear cached files. You're doing this to remove corrupted temp data that often pins progress at 0%. You now perform deeper repairs that fix corrupted components. Rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders so Windows rebuilds them. This removes stuck manifests and partial downloads. Then run sfc/scano to fix system file issues, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. These restore the update engine. Once those complete, reset and restart bits, Windows Update, and cryptographic services, so the system can recreate clean caches and resume normal update checks. You finish by rebooting and triggering Windows Update from settings. This forces a fresh scan against the rebuilt stores. If it still sits at 0%, get the specific KB number and manually download the package from the Microsoft Update catalog to install it. This bypasses the UI downloader. Make sure to re-enable services if you disabled them. If problems continue, boot into safe mode with networking and repeat the reset steps. This isolates third-party interference that can block updates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.